Hey guys, it's me, Joycelyn, and today we have a special guest with us. This is my dad. Okay, so today we are at the LA Zoo. Okay, and behind us is the scarlet ibis. There's two colors. This is like a little peachy green, peachy pinky color. And this is a white one. This is called a white ibis. And these smart birds live in wetlands from the southern United States to northern Peru, the Bahamas, and Greater Antilles Island. And they eat small aquatic animals. And come over the side a little bit and look at that animal. Nice looking bird over here, and as you can see that they have like really long beaks, and they are colorful. And there is also a pink one over there, a pinkish pink one. They are called scarlet ibis. And now me and my dad will go to the other side to see the other bird over there. So this is called a king vulture, and this is a very colorful, and that is a peacock, a noisy peacock over there. Okay, let's turn back. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is a very colorful bird, and the origin is that they live in lowland forests and savanna regions from Central and South America, from Mexico to North Argentina. And thanks for watching. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.